morning again, class. Welcome back to our discussion. Okay, so we will continue our discussion last meeting. So we will proceed to the types of adverbs. Okay, this one. So there are five types of adverbs. First is it would be adverb of time. So what is the adverb of time? Adverb of time is described when something happens. It is describing when is the time that something happens. Okay? For example, I have to run, but I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so the adverb of time here is the word tomorrow. We talk about time, tomorrow. Alright? Okay, so let's proceed to adverb of place. Okay, so when we say adverb of place, it talk about the place. Yes, that's correct. It talk about the place. For example, here there is example here. Go downstairs and open the door. So the adverb of place here is downstairs. So this is the adverb of place. Okay, so next one would be the adverb of degree. So when you say the adverb of degree, it is describe the length of time something happened. So the degree of time that something is happened. Okay, so for example, the power outage should be fixed shortly. Okay, so the adverb of degree here is the word shortly. Again, there are five types of adverb. Okay, there are five types of adverb. Firstly would be the adverb of time, which is it describes the time. Okay, and it describes if something when to happen. Okay, next is the adverb of place. Okay, it describes where the action takes place. Alright, okay, next one would be the adverb of frequency. Okay, adverb of frequency talk about how often something will happen. Okay, next will be the adverb of degree. Okay, here. Alright, for a while. Okay, adverb of degree talk about the length of time that something happened. Okay, so the difference between the degree and the frequency, degree is talk about the length of time, while the frequency, it talks about how often action. Okay, like always. So the action is doing, you do the action always, while the adverb of degree talk about the length, how long, how the span of the time you do the action. Okay, all right, next one. Okay, so I think this is all the five types of adverbs. Okay, do you understand? All right. Okay, because you understand, I prepare another activity for you. All right, so this activity is group the class into four groups. Okay, it's either we going to count or you are going to group yourself. Okay, but group the class into, okay, how many are you in the class, by the way? So you are 20. Okay, because you are 20, each group will have 5 members. All right, okay, and after your group you choose a leader. Okay, you choose a leader that you think that is good for your group to lead your group. Okay, so you choose a leader And then after that, after you choose a leader, I have here 4 boxes for a while. First one, second one, third one, and fourth one. I have here 4 boxes. Okay. Okay. And you pick here your topic. Alright. So, by the way, before we start, in your group, you prepare a cartolina and a pentel pen. Okay? Alright. So, after you prepare a cartolina and a pentel pen, after it's done, you proceed here in front. Okay? To choose these boxes has the topic, your respective topic. Okay, so after that, after you prepare your materials, the leader will come here in front and choose a topic, okay, in each boxes. Alright, okay, so are you done? Okay, so because you are done, I will give you at least 5 minutes. Okay. First, I will give my instructions. Alright. Firstly, after you receive your topic, you will read it thoroughly. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes to read it thoroughly. And then after you read, you find in the text, you will find an adverb words. Any words that is adverb, you find it and then you list it down to your manila paper and a pencil pen. Okay, you list down the word that you found that is an adverb, and then you list down in a cartolina using a pencil pen. Alright, okay, and after that, pick aside from a leader, you pick at least one representative to present your output here in front. Okay, alright, so is it all clear? Okay, so it's all clear. Alright, so because it's all clear, so I will give you at least 5 minutes to do your work, okay? To do the reading and find some words. Alright, so I will give you 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes, you will present here in front your output. Okay, so that activity will be your output for today. Alright? Okay, so I think I will give you the time for now. Okay, so let's go back and after 5 minutes to present your output. Okay? Alright. Okay, so I think 5 minutes is done, class. Are you ready to present your answer? Okay, so let's present your answer here in front. Okay, so we will start in group 1. Okay, group 1, you may stay here in front. Hi guys, I am from group 1, and then this is our output. Okay, from the passage we read, we found 4 adverb of word. First one is this one, quickly. Second one is daily. And the third one is today. And then the last one is extremely. And I think this word is adverb because it talks about action. I think that's all. Thank you. Hello guys, good morning. So we are group 2 and we were going to present 4 adverbs that we found in the passage that we read. Okay. The first one is loudly. Loudly, and then number 2 is plays. And the number 3 we found softly. And the number 4 is gracefully. And I think these 4 is adverb because it talks talks about the first one, the loudly. It talks about adverb of adverb of. Ay. Good morning, mom. We are group 3, and this is our output. First, we found the word smoothly, and then next one we found the word tomorrow. For the third one, we found last week. And then the fourth one, we found happily. And this is all the adverb that we found in the passage that you given us once, Mom. Thank you. Good morning, Mom. So this is our output. So we are group 4. So the output is, this is the word that we found in the passage that you gave. First one is always. This one, always. And then the second one, usually. And then the third one is here. Here. Like here. Here. In the bond paper. And then next one, or the half cartolina. And then the next one, Mom, is number 4. We found beside. So this is all that we found in the passage that you gave, Mom. Thank you. Okay, for our last activity, I have here a test paper. It contains of 6 words, 6 adverb words. Okay, so in the instruction, it says that use this word in a sentence, and you determine that word or the sentence if it is adverb of type, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of manner, or adverb of degree. Alright? You determine which each of these type of adverbs is the word. Okay, and these 6 words, use it in a sentence. Alright? Okay. So I have here a copy, and then you will pay me at least this to your president. Okay? So that he will distribute this. And then you will answer this for at least 5 minutes. Is it okay? 5 minutes. 5 minutes is good. Okay, 5 minutes. Oh, listen carefully, because I will say just twice your assignment. Okay, so together with this activity, your assignment will be passed next meeting. Alright, so your assignment will be write as sentences, at least 2 paragraph. 2 paragraph. Is it okay? 2 paragraph. Okay, so your assignment will be write in a 2 paragraph essay. Write the things that you learned in our discussion for today, and then the use of these 5 adverbs, type of adverbs. Okay, so and one whole sheet of paper. Okay, you write in a paper, and then you pass it next meeting together with this activity. Okay, by the way, in this activity, do you have any question? Do you have any more clarification about this activity? You understand? Do you understand? You don't have any question. Alright, it's understood. Okay, because you don't have any question. Okay, how about the assignment? Alright, so, okay, our assignment is okay. Alright, how about my discussion earlier? Do you have any questions? Oh, none questions. So, you understand the lesson so far? Okay, do you understand the lesson? Alright, so because you understand the lesson, I hope that you can answer this activity and your assignment. Okay, to be passed next meeting. Alright, so I think that's the the end of our class for today. Okay, goodbye and see you next meeting. Okay, I will give this to your president. All right, and then the payment should be in your president then. Okay, I will collect to your president the payment. All right. Okay. Okay, so goodbye and thank you, class, and see you next meeting. All right. Okay.